Alright, 4816 Linden again. We're actually recording from the cleanout just outside the garage of 4820. We are about 100 feet down the line. You see we got a holding section of sewage. This is a section of holding sewage that we're able to get past. Now, this is in the shared section of sewer with 48, or the neighboring house next door. I can't remember the number now. I think 807, 49th. So that's a shared section of pipe. We're coming back now through the personal line of the 4 townhomes here at 4816, 805, 4820, and whatever this other one is. It's all been replaced with PVC through here though. And there's the clean out access that I'm making this recording from. It's in the video there.